So children, last week we saw the different types of vegetables, fruits, flowers which we get from plants. Now one next step, we are going to see what are the different types of nuts, why is it called a nut, and then different types of dry fruits, why it is called dry fruits, and the different types of cereals and pulses which we get from plants. So the first type which we are going to see is the nut. So what is a nut? Why is it called a nut? A nut is also a fruit, but it is inside a woody shell. So for example, let's say you have apple. You just have to pluck apple from a tree and eat it. But when we call nut you cannot directly take it from a tree and eat. It will be inside a wood shell. It will be inside a wood shell. So if you break that wood shell, then you get the nut. So let us see what are the different types of nuts. So when we talk about different types of nuts, what we are going to see is what the first one is the almonds. So these are almonds. It's a brown color seed which you find inside a wood shell, and it is found in plants. So we get almonds from plants, but not directly. It is a type of fruit which is inside a wood shell. It is inside a wood shell, like how you keep your pencil inside a pencil box. Like that, the almonds will be inside a box or a shell. So these almonds, you have to break that shell and take it out. This is one of the nut which we eat, and it has lot of health properties. It gives us lot of benefits. So the first nut which we saw is almonds. Almonds, or we call it as badam also. Badam or almonds. The next dry fruit which we are going to see is cashew nuts. Cashew nuts or kaju. We call it as kaju or cashew nuts. These are also nut. It's a fruit which comes from a plant, but you need to open the shell to get this cashew nuts. These cashew nuts are rich in fat, rich in carbohydrates, which will help you grow. Okay, the first nut was almonds or badam. Then the second nut is cashew nut or kaju. The third one, what you see here, is walnut. See, look at the fruit. There's a wood shell, and inside the shell there is a seed or a nut, that we call it as walnuts. This walnut you need to eat one every day, which is really good for your heart. It helps blood flow to your heart. We saw in the parts of the body, the internal body parts, we saw heart. So for that heart, the walnut is very good for the growth of your body, and it helps your heart pump the blood. So the third type of nut what we see here is walnut. Then the next type of nut which we are going to see is groundnut or peanuts. See, look at this. The white color small one, that is called the peanut. That you cannot directly find it in plants. You will find it in a brown color shell. So if you open that shell, you will get peanuts. So when it is with a brown color shell, it is called groundnut, and when you open it and if you take the nut out, it's called peanuts. These peanuts you can eat. It is good for your health. With these peanuts you can make sweets. You must be eating a sweet called chicky. So chicky bars, all that is made from groundnuts or peanuts. So these are the four types of nuts which we saw today. That there are many more nuts also, like hazelnut, walnut, then cashew nut, groundnut, and then one more nut which we are going to see today is the hazelnut. This is how the hazelnut looks. Look, it also has a shell, and inside there is a seed which is the hazelnut. Hazelnut, you can eat it. You can make chocolates. We get hazelnut chocolates. So all these nuts are very good for health. So what are the 5 types of nuts did we see? We saw almonds or the badam. Then we saw the cashew nut or the kajus. Then we saw groundnut or the peanuts, and then we saw walnut which is good for heart, and then hazelnut. Hazelnut we use for making chocolates. So these are the types of nuts. So what is a nut? A nut is nothing but a fruit enclosed in a wood shell.